markets can offer. But with these particular tokens, I think it's essential to really dig into what's happening under the surface because the numbers and the sentiment paint a pretty sobering picture. Let's start with Mines of Dalarnia, or DAR. If you look at the price action, it's hard not to notice the dramatic decline. DAR is currently trading at just over $0.013, which is a staggering drop from its yearly high of 25 cents. That's not just a correction or a healthy retracement. That's a collapse of confidence, market interest, and probably underlying fundamentals. The market cap is hovering just above $500,000, which puts it firmly in the microcap territory. This is the kind of level where liquidity can dry up fast, and the risk of further sharp declines or even delisting from exchanges becomes a real concern. What's even more telling is the trading volume and the technical indicators. When a token is trading well below both its 50-day and 200-day moving averages, it's a sign that the market has lost interest and that there's no upward momentum to speak of. Investors are either holding on in the hope of a miracle or have already exited, leaving a thin order book behind. This lack of activity makes it difficult to enter or exit positions without significant slippage, and it also means that any significant sell order could tank the price even further. Now, let's turn to Litentry, or LIT. The situation here is arguably even more concerning, not because of dramatic price swings, but because of the lack of any meaningful activity at all. There's very little recent price or volume data available, which suggests that LIT has fallen off the radar for most traders and investors. In the world of crypto, where attention and hype can be just as important as fundamentals, this kind of silence is deafening. If a token isn't being talked about, developed, or traded, it's at risk of becoming a so-called zombie coin, existing in name only while the market moves on two more promising projects. It's also telling that neither DAR nor LIT is being mentioned by major analysts or included in lists of recommended buys. When you look at the projects that are getting attention right now, they tend to have a few things in common: active development teams, engaged communities, and some kind of unique value proposition or innovation. Whether it's a new approach to DeFi, a breakthrough in scalability, or a creative use case for NFTs, the projects that succeed in today's market are the ones that can keep people interested and excited. Unfortunately, there's no evidence that DAR or LIT are doing any of those things right now. I understand the appeal of low-cap coins, the idea of finding the next big thing. Like and subscribe.